Welcome back, YouTube. I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm glad y'all get to see me here on YouTube today. I don't get to see y'all, but I do get to talk to y'all some. I'm recording this video now. Y'all probably won't see this video for, I don't know, sometime in the middle of January. But I got some merch here. This is all Travis Scott merch, but from two different releases because, well, we'll talk about it in a second. Before we go any further, though, into the content.
Jesus is our sponsor.
Travis Scott merch. Jesus is our sponsor. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross, and what did he say, Haley, when he looked up to God?
My God, why are you forsaking me? Why have you forsaken me? Yeah.
And Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. In another translation, it says that he will never abandon us. Yep. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
And I believe that the reason why God will never leave me or forsake me is because Jesus was taking the forsaking for me when he was on the cross. And I trust that that's what he was doing and that he did it for me. So thank you, Jesus, for saving me from being forsaken. All right, let's get into this. I talk about this with every Travis Scott unboxing I do. I don't necessarily like Travis Scott. I like his shoes. I like the way that most of them look. I got several of them here. I got one in a box down here, actually, and I should really be opening that because I want to sell that one probably.
A real Travis Scott shoe?
Yeah, I hit on the Photon.
Bruh. Oh, the black one.
YouTube will have already seen it.
I forgot.
By the time we see this. But this one came from the Travis Scott site for the reverse Mocahs. And I just got this here a couple weeks ago. When the Photon Dust, or Photon whatever, the black ones, when they released on his site, the merch released too, I ended up getting the black t-shirt, which won't be here for 4 to 6 weeks, but I just made this conscious decision. I don't want to buy any more of this pre-sale stuff that doesn't sell out. It's pre-sale. I was able to make a couple dollars, not much, but I mean, at least get my money back after I made the videos on the stuff I had before. One of those things that I had before, I think 2 of them were hoodies, and I really didn't like those hoodies. They're really thick and like rough material, and I just don't really like them. All of my Travis Scott shirts I like. They just, I mean, not because they're Travis Scott necessarily. I like
they fit well, and they look
well.
Cool.
They're nice material. I like the way the material feels, and that's really important to me. I really love this shirt. I don't know where it's from, but it's got like this faded, almost you can't see it.
I don't think it was that faded when you first got it.
But I wear it all the time. But it's because of the way that it fits. But I also like the designs. You know, cool designs. They look pretty cool on his clothes. So I decided to get them here, and I decided to get the hoodies from the Nike app because the Nike app stuff sells out. And so if I don't like them, I can hopefully at least get my money back. They didn't sell out immediately in every size, but the 2X's did. So that's what I got there. So let's take a look at this. This is the one from the reverse Mocah drop from the Travis site. I don't even remember.
Oh, was that a hoodie?
No, it's a t-shirt.
Oh, we can share this t-shirt.
This is white.
You know why we're gonna share this t-shirt?
So we get a nice Cactus Jack bag. I shouldn't rip this too much, but I'm gonna have to get it out. Yeah, let's rip it. Yeah. There we go. Ripped nice and easy. Let's see what we have here.
Oh, Oh my gosh, please keep that.
Oh, I do like this.
Please keep that.
It's like an upside down gingerbread man face.
Upside down? It's definitely right side up.
Oh, I thought that was his eyebrows.
He got a unibrow.
I like this.
Oh, please keep that.
Okay,
that's so cute. Oh my, it's like the voodoo man from
pink
or something from Princess and the Frog. Oh my gosh, please keep this shirt.
I do like this one. I'll wear this.
Can we please share it?
I mean,
whenever I get my Christmas present.
It's giant.
That I didn't know about.
You'll see her Christmas gift unboxing, my unboxing of it, like December the 27th or something. And so, but she will have had the shoes that she just knows she's getting.
Because there's the only ones I asked for, and you always get everybody's shoes.
By the time you see this video, so
that is real cute.
And this shirt though, it's a 2X, and it's much bigger than the other 2Xs.
But it looks I think it's supposed to be. It's an oversized fit.
But I would actually. I mean, but I don't.
Travis
like
Scott is very streetwear.
But the other shirts that I have of his are not this big, even though they're 2X.
But that's what I'm saying. This might be oversized. Look, like this might have been a shirt that was meant to fit oversized.
I like the pink on this though. It's like this is a little in your face pink, but this pink is nice.
That pink is so cute.
So
I really like that shirt.
We'll definitely keep this one. Not gonna try.
Definitely share that one, right?
All right. These are from the Photon Dust Nike release. My my photon dusts are right down here, which I probably won't be keeping, but I do want to do this. Remember what I said about the last Travis Scott jackets and hoodies that I got? They just weren't comfortable feeling.
Oh, buddy.
That's pretty.
Oh, that's so cute.
I don't know about that. This doesn't really go with the shoes. It's brown, but this is the actual hoodie.
Perfect with, bruh.
Yeah, it would actually go better with those. But I like this because it's got flight on it, and then we get some Cactus.
Oh my gosh, hold on.
I've got the shorts from.
Oh, that actually doesn't go very good. Actually,
these
could
are
be
from
cute.
this. These are from
No, I
this.
know it. I was just putting it all together.
Yeah, it would be okay.
You know, I feel like you can wear any kind of brown.
I think
with
I got
any kind of
this for
brown.
the back. I really think I got this for the back. Yes.
Well, I can't see your arms kind of in the way.
Flight.
Oh, looks like you just walked out of Panama City.
Panama City Beach.
Yeah. What's the difference? Oh yeah,
Panama City is a place.
Is in
the capital
Central
of Panama.
Central America.
Central America, yes. Cactus.
Oh, that's cute.
Embroidered.
Patchwork.
Patchwork. Yeah. This one's okay.
Oh.
It feels better. It is pretty heavy, but I don't think that's bad.
I'm
that's
so
bad.
intrigued by this.
Just the inside, nothing special here. It's not
like a towel.
It's not like overly comfortable looking, but it's a hoodie, and
That's real cute.
I definitely wanted the hoodie. This was kind of expensive. I think it was like 150 or maybe like.
At least you the one that was like 700 or something.
No, that was the Letterman jacket. No, I didn't even go for that. I don't know how I feel about this. Like,
I mean, if you don't want it, I mean, me and Hesper can always wear it.
yes, I'll see if Hesper wants this. I might have to give.
Lucky me,
response.
I just don't have anything brown to wear to go with my almost brown shoes that I almost have.
Almost brown shoes. You almost have. All right, this one was delivered to my parents' house. My dad's account hit this one, so not all. Like I went for this one on several accounts, and I think this particular one was only available on the app because I was also doing it on my laptop, and this one didn't show up. So this one, after I bought it, I realized it was $225. But I think I like this one better. It's black, so it goes with what? Nah, I don't think so. It's like Dickies material. Like Dickies coveralls material.
Yeah, I'm not.
And it was $225. It's giant.
That would keep you warm, though.
We still get this Cactus Jack, similar type branding up here with the cactus on it. Flight.
That's cool.
Also looking like it came straight out of what you call
Okay, hold on. That
Cactus Jack.
even though they're not Travis Scott, but you could wear it with any of your red shoes up there.
Yeah.
You would look so fly.
Well, the Flight though is a 4 thing. This is a 4 thing.
Well, you don't have any red 4s, so.
Yeah, I'm disappointed with this one.
I think you could rock that.
I'm not saying I couldn't. I could rock anything. But yeah, it's lined up here with like satiny material,
like a suit.
Like a suit. Yeah, this is kind of crazy.
This is kind of crazy.
I don't know how I feel about this. Double zippered pockets. I do like the Flight.
I was gonna say the back is cool, but then you kind of turn around the front.
I don't know. I really don't know how I feel now about that.
I honestly, if you can get your money back, I'd sell it. But if you can't get like any money back from it, then I would just keep it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get rid of this one. I mean, I think I could just return this to Nike, but this one I'll consider because I like hoodies better than this material. This is just not for me. So, all right, there it is. 3 Travis Scott merch whatever's in one unboxing. Let your grandma know. Tell your grandma about the t-shirt. The t-shirt was pretty cool. And the brown hoodie from the Photon. I keep saying dust. I don't know if they're dust or not. But stay tuned because hopefully I'll be unboxing that one real soon. You'll see that one. Actually, you will see that one before this. I want to get this shoe open because I want to see the Photon. Isaac him the Photon also and put them on like the moment he opened them. So he's keeping them. There were 80,000 of them though, so the price went. Yeah, the price went way down.
Wow.
After they released, but
so they're not going to be worth $1,000.
No, they're already way below 1,000, but still worth plenty. So hit on some good ones. Probably by the time you see this video, you'll see these other good ones that I hit on just recently, including the Photon and the Cactus. So thank y'all for being here. I appreciate you, especially watching until now, all the way through this video. So smash that like button. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the comments. So comment down below. Tell your grandma about all these, like I said. And I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.